Technology is part of our everyday lives. We use technology to learn, to communicate, and to share information. But every click, post, and decision has consequences. Technology in action, making the right choice.
Bin! May nakita akong magandang impormasyon online sa report ko.
I-copy-paste mo lang yan, hindi naman magpapansin ng teacher mo.
Hindi pwede, plagiarism yan. Kailangan kong ilagay ang tamang source.
Bakit importante ba yun?
Kasi pag-aari ng ibang tao ang impormasyon niyan. Dapat bigyan natin sila ng credits.
Ethical technology. User respect intellectual property and give proper credit to original author. Proper citation helps prevent plagiarism and promotes academic integrity.
Date na pala ngayon ng assignment. Wala nang oras para gawin ito.
Kukupain ko na lang to at ipapasok. JJ, lumapit ka. Kinopya mo lang ba ito mula sa website? Plagiarism to.
Akala ko po kasi wala makakapansin.
Ang pagpapasa ng gawa ng iba bilang sarili mong gawa ay mali at labag sa mga patakaran ng paralan.
Pasensya na po sir, naiintindihan ko na mali ang pagkopya ng gawa ng iba.
Plagiarism damages academic integrity and may result in lower grades, disciplinary action, or loss of trust.
Parang kakaiba naman to. Wala naman akong sinali ang ibang contest.
Magandang desisyon yan. Madalas ginagamit ng mga scammer ang mga ganyang mensahe para makuha ang mga personal na impormasyon ng tao.
Mas mabuti na mag-ingat kaysa mawalan ng account.
Responsible technology users protect sensitive information, avoid suspicious links, and report potential online scams.
Wow, hindi ka panipaniwalang balitang ito. Sure ka bang totoo yan? Hindi ko alam pero everyone is sharing it. GJ, nakita mo yung post mo? Yung information na sinare mo ay fake. Maraming tao ang naniniwala dahil mukhang totoo ito.
Totoo ba? Hindi ko naman na-chinik kung totoo bago ko shinare.
Kaya importante mag-check ka muna sa reliable source bago mag-share.
Tama ka, dapat chinek ko muna bago ako mag-post ng fake news.
Sharing misinformation can cause confusion, spread panic, and damage people's trust. Before sharing any news online, always verify the information using reliable and official sources. Responsible technology users think before they click and help stop the spread of fake news. Through this project, we learn that technology can be a powerful tool when used responsibly. Ethical use of technology includes respecting intellectual property, protecting personal information, and communicating respectfully online.
Unethical actions such plagiarism, spreading misinformation, cyberbullying, and unauthorized access can harm individual and society.
As responsible digital citizens, we must think carefully before using technology and always choose actions that are legal, respectful, and ethical.
Thank you.